Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with the Siomai wrappers, which are thin and perfect for this. Cut each wrapper into 4 equal triangles or strips, giving you plenty of nacho-sized pieces. Then, in a pan with about 1 inch of hot oil, fry these pieces for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. Remember to drain them well on paper towels to remove any extra oil. Now let's get those delicious toppings ready. Brown 1 pound of ground meat, like beef or pork, with your favorite taco seasoning for a burst of flavor. While that cooks, dice 1 medium onion and 1 bell pepper into small, even pieces. Don't forget to shred about 2 cups of your preferred cheese, such as cheddar or Monterey Jack, for that perfect melty finish. It's time to assemble your amazing Siomai wrapper nachos. First, spread your crispy Siomai wrapper chips evenly across a large serving platter or baking sheet. Next, spoon the seasoned ground meat mixture generously over all the chips, ensuring every bite gets some savory goodness. Finally, sprinkle the diced onions, bell peppers, and a full 2 cups of shredded cheese over everything. To get that cheese perfectly melted, bake your assembled nachos in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly. Once out of the oven, you can add your favorite optional toppings like fresh salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced jalapenos for an extra kick. Enjoy your unique nacho creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.